Hey friends, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do welcome home decorations for those loved ones and friends that have come home and you want to celebrate them coming back home. I have a great video for you. We're going to first get started with blowing up some balloons. Once we get the welcome home letter balloons blown up, we're going to go ahead and string them. This just makes them easier to hang, as you'll see in a few minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and get started on some more balloons. We're going to create some balloon flowers, and these we're going to put across the top of our backdrop. I simply just take the balloons and insert it into the balloon clip slits. You just go all the way around. Most of these do come with an adhesive strip, but it just makes them easy to reuse for later if you just use something like tapes or paper clip. And then I'm just using a tack to put it on the backdrop, and then I'm using tape to tape it into the position that I want it to stay. Same thing to the other side. And now with these decorations, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to add some spotlights to shine up to give it a different color effect. And these are some spotlights that I did get on Amazon from the Office store. Make sure you check out the links in my description. I give you a more in-depth review of the spotlights. You can see the colors change from red, green, and blue, and then to let you know how they work a little bit more. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned to the video right after this one, and I'll show you a little bit more about the spotlights. And here I'm turning on the spotlights. I put them down on the floor. I'm just adding the blue color to the decoration. And here are the final results for our welcome home decorations. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for all of my videos. Keep watching for the video review of the spotlights and have a royal day.